What's going on, YouTube? So today I will be installing WcFab's 3.5-inch intake horn with the PCV reroute on my 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 Duramax. This is all the stuff that comes with it, you know, the intake horn. It's pretty big. I could stuff my fist inside here. And comes with gaskets, some nuts, and some other threaded parts that go into your intake, and then of course your PCV reroute. So with this install, I'm going to be replacing the intake horn that's down there, remove this PCV reroute, and it's supposed to go over the intake, the intercooler tube. Now what I gotta do is remove airbox, and then there's one bolt there and then another one down there. So let me go ahead and remove it, and I'll show you the progress. All right, so I removed the intake, and now I have more access to that 13mm bolt right there, and then there's one more right down there. So let me go ahead and remove those, and then I'm also gonna remove this PCV. All right, I finally got the driver's side bolt out. Now I'm ready to pull the horn. There it is. As you can see, that bolt on the right is a really big pain to get to. Alright, now it's time to install two 8mm studs, short end to the turbo, hand tight only. Right there. Got a little bit of oil. Now I'm just gonna clean off the surface and then put the intake horn on. Just using some brake clean. Now for the intake horn. intake horn is secured in there. Now I'm gonna hook up the PCV reroute and just ride it all the way down by the steering column, just making sure it doesn't snag on anything. All right, so what I did with the PCV is hooked it up right over here, ran it down, and I'll show you where I hooked it up. Run it all the way down there. Comes down, I zip tied it to this wiring harness, and it's right there. Alright, intake is in, everything's buttoned up. Now let's start up the truck to see if we could hear a difference. Can't hear the difference, obviously, is idling. I hear a little difference, but I'd have to take it on the road. But that is my install of the WcFab intake horn with the PCV reroute. Let me know what y'all think. Please, if you could like and subscribe and leave any comments down below. Thanks.